Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of Gmail on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of a Gmail account on your phone, first open up a Gmail app, and after opening a Gmail app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile logo over there or your profile picture over there. At the top right, tap on your profile picture and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to log out of a Gmail account, a particular Gmail account, tap on the manage accounts on this device, which is at the bottom of the list. You can see there is the manage accounts on this device. Tap on manage accounts on this device and you will land on this interface, and over here we'll be required to tap on the Google section. Over here you can see there is the Google option available for us. Tap on Google and this kind of interface will appear where all of your logged in accounts of a Gmail account will be available over here. Now in order to log out, tap on the account from which you want to log out on Gmail and this kind of interface will appear. Now at the top right corner again there's a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and you can see the remove account now button available for us. Tap on remove account button and this kind of pop-up box will appear, and again tap on the remove account and then you will be logged out of your Gmail account on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to log out of your Gmail account on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.